Did you know that your cat's color could tell you about its personality? Yes, you heard that right. A cat's coat color can give us fascinating insights into its behavior. Now you might be wondering, how is that even possible? Well, let's embark on a journey of discovery, exploring the intriguing connection between a cat's coat color and its personality. And this isn't just hearsay or folklore, it's actually backed by scientific research. A study was conducted in Mexico that aimed to delve into this very topic, examining the personality traits of cats based on their fur colors. The study was quite comprehensive, engaging more than 200 cat owners who were keen to contribute their observations and experiences. These cat lovers completed a survey, providing valuable data for the study. This survey method allowed the researchers to gather a wide range of information, enabling a thorough analysis of cat personalities related to their coat colors. So what were the findings of this study? Do grey cats really have different personalities compared to orange cats? And what about tabbies, tricolors, and bicolor cats? Are their behaviors influenced by their unique coat colors? Well, the results were quite intriguing, revealing a fascinating connection between a cat's coat color and its perceived personality traits. Sounds fascinating, doesn't it? Let's dive deeper into what this study found out. So, what did the study reveal about the personality traits of cats based on their coat colors? Well, let's dive right in and discuss what these researchers discovered. First off, let's look at grey cats. The study found that these feline companions are often perceived as shy, aloof, and slightly intolerant. It seems that these cats have a certain sense of independence, and they might not always be the ones to initiate cuddle sessions. They're like the introverts of the cat world, preferring their own company and a quieter environment. Moving on, we have the orange cats. Now, these cats are seen in a completely different light. They're perceived as trainable, friendly, and calm. They're more likely to engage in play and respond positively to training efforts. If you're looking for a feline friend that's more of a social butterfly and loves to learn new tricks, an orange cat might just be the perfect match for you. Next up, we have the tabbies. These cats are often described as bold and active. They're the adventurers, the explorers, the ones who are always on the go. They're not afraid to take charge and explore their surroundings, always ready for the next adventure. They're the ones who'll keep you on your toes, always ready for a game of chase or a playful wrestling match. What about tricolor cats? Well, they're seen as a bit stubborn. They have their own ideas about how things should be, and they're not afraid to let their humans know it. But don't worry, this stubbornness often comes with a hefty dose of charm, making them irresistible despite their strong-willed nature. Last but not least, we have the bicolor cats. These kitties are often seen as tolerant. They're the ones who are likely to put up with the hustle and bustle of a busy household, taking all the chaos in stride. They're the cool, calm, and collected members of the feline world, always ready to offer a comforting purr or a gentle headbutt. Interesting, right? But that's not all. The study also explored the relationship between cat owners and their cats. The bond between a cat and its owner is something truly special. But did you know that this bond might affect your cat's personality too? Yes, that's right. A study conducted in Mexico explored this fascinating aspect, and the results are quite intriguing. This research discovered a direct correlation between the level of interaction a cat has with its owner and the cat's personality traits. It found that a higher frequency and intensity of interactions between a cat and its owner often resulted in the cat displaying a more active and friendly personality. Imagine that! Your friendly chats, cuddles, and playtime with your feline friend might be shaping their personality more than you realize. But it doesn't stop there. The study found that not just the frequency, but also the nature of these interactions played a significant role. Emotional closeness, the deep bond that forms between a cat and its owner, was found to be related to an active, bold, and friendly personality in cats. It seems that the more emotionally connected you are with your cat, the bolder, friendlier, and more active they are likely to be. This suggests that your cat's personality might not be just a product of its inherent traits or even its coat color, but also a reflection of your bond with it. Your relationship with your cat is not just about companionship. It's a two-way street, where you influence each other's lives in more ways than one. But of course, every cat is unique, and so is every cat-owner relationship. While these findings provide some general trends, the personality of your cat will always be a delightful mix of its inherent nature, your unique bond, and a dash of feline mystery. So, the more you interact and bond with your cat, the friendlier and bolder it's likely to be. But there's one more intriguing finding from this study. You may be wondering if owning a cat is expensive and if the cost affects their behavior. Well, the study did look into this aspect too. Let's delve into this interesting part of the study, the cost factor. Now, you might think, what does the cost of owning a cat have to do with their personality? A good question, and the answer is rather intriguing. The study found a negative correlation between the perceived cost of owning a cat and boldness. This means that if we perceive the cost of owning a cat as high, the cat is less likely to be bold. Interesting, right? Imagine a scenario where you're considering bringing a cat home. You're thinking about all the expenses: food, toys, grooming, and unexpected vet bills. It's a commitment, right? And as you weigh these costs, you might subconsciously expect your cat to be less bold, less adventurous. And here's the fascinating part. It seems cats can pick up on these expectations. In a way, our perceptions shape their behavior. If we perceive them to be a costly responsibility, they may indeed become less bold, maybe sticking closer to home, less likely to leap into unknown situations. This doesn't mean that cats are conscious of the monetary cost, of course, but it does suggest that our attitudes, shaped by our perception of cost, can influence their behavior. While the study doesn't provide a concrete explanation for this phenomenon, it does highlight an interesting correlation. It's a reminder of how our pets, in this case cats, are sensitive to our attitudes and expectations. So next time you're thinking about the cost of owning a cat, remember that it might just affect how bold they turn out to be. So, the perceived cost of owning a cat does seem to influence how bold they are. Fascinating, isn't it? While this study has given us some interesting insights, it's clear that we have only just scratched the surface. The fascinating world of feline behavior, especially as it relates to coat color, is still largely unexplored. We've seen how perceptions of cat personalities can vary from one color to another, and how these perceptions can influence the bond between a cat and its owner. But there's so much more to discover. The need for further research in this area is vital. As we delve deeper, we can not only better understand our feline companions, but also enhance the bond we share with them. Imagine the potential benefits of such studies, from improved pet care to even more fulfilling pet-owner relationships. Moreover, such research could also shed light on the broader subject of animal behavior. It could help us understand why certain traits are associated with certain colors, and what that might mean for other animals as well. So, next time you look at your cat, remember, their coat color might just be telling you a little more about their personality than you think.